is your first time passing that, please don't forget to subscribe. To my old subscriber, thank you and remain blessed. Please don't forget to share this video. Share. Today, hey, I want to talk about the things we discuss outside marriage. Make I use broken for this one. Things where we talk about our marriage outside. We need to be careful. We talk about our marriage with our friends outside, people you call your friend. See that friend matter, just be. You never know. That thing that make you happy. Now be waiting they kill your friend for house. And you go to carry the matter, they go to give up. How your husband make you happy, how your husband buy things for you. Even for the day, they'll turn out to be another thing for you. Be careful. Be careful what you discuss with your friend. There are still good friends outside though. When I have them around me, good friends. Now, yeah, I have them. But I'm just saying, whenever you are keeping friendship, and your mind keep telling you, this person, let's say, anytime when they tell her, there is a way where they behave. My sister, don't overlook many things. Try to reason that and say, why is it that anytime you are talking about sad things, the person will give you listening ear? But when you are talking about sweet things, we say we need to see the control our mouth. They talk at times. We know they think something before we talk about. But now that happiness waiting there your body. Hey, my friend, do if you see what my husband do for me today. But not knowing that that's your friend. It's not who you think she is. Please, when you are talking about your marriage, be careful. Because the people where they go, they tell. And if you be saying that that kind of your marriage, they will fight and they don't get up. Before you know, they will carry the matter. If they don't feel destroy and they will carry and give you the destroyer for you. If not one song or even from your back side, they tell you why your husband. People where don't pass through this thing and they will not know what they talk. Well, I'm just outside. I'm just trying to pass this message. Because outside, a lot of things are happening. Many things they happen. Friend, they collect husband for friend. But it will make your friend collect your husband. Because if they go, they tell and say, how your husband tell they tell you why. How's your husband tell they sleep with you. How's all these things at times. Some women go there, a month, 3 months, they don't even know what, I don't want to put mouth for everything. But you now going there, discussing with that person, what do you think? That is why you see, because of things where they use our mouth, they tell our friends, they will use them against us later. We will only cry, say, hey, who do me this one? At times now, when they do ourselves, now wait till they do ourselves. Because when you tell your friends, say, see what thing they happen for your home, and then go they plan how you go take the target you. If you know say you know sabi, you know get bad mind to spoil person, you know they discuss your matter outside though, because when they go attack you, will know how to fight them back. So this is my little message. I say make I give now. Make with the man who would discuss the things that concern our marriage. Because I've seen lots of women crying. Their friends are frustrating them, collecting their husband from them. Hey, collecting their husband. People you call your friend, they can actually do that to you. No friend, though. There is no friend. No one wants to be a friend again. All of them want to turn to be an enemy. You see, at the end of the day, you will collect husband will come, they accuse it, no friend. Who you collect husband from him will say no friend. You see, that's why they say make we try to be take good. That make me drop that fourth message. Make we learn how to be good to ourselves. Because you they accuse somebody and somebody is accused. Another person say they accuse you. I bet make I use broken because I want to talk this matter the way it is sweets me. The way it is in my mind. There is no friend again. This one just happened. Your own best friend collecting your husband from you. Why did she collect it? Because all the time, hey, my husband do this to me, my husband give me this, my husband give me that. And this same person is still in she's still there at her husband's house. You see him? You still there at her husband's house. You leave your husband's house, come to tell one another person husband. My people, make una dey careful. Make una dey careful, because the way things they go around, now me I'm confused. I don't even know what to do again. What to call, my dear. If you are looking for a friend, use your pikin, use your husband. I can't even say sister now. I tell sister they are good. At least you know someone in the same family. But at least use your daughter, or if you have son, if you have husband, make you use that one. No, they look for another one outside. Because now waiting they cause all this what they drag friends, friends they come from outside. At the end of the day, they will come shook hand for your eye where they say you will come they cry. So my own advice be this: so make they my way to they discuss with our people, who will call our friend, our supposed to be friend. Well, now so they call them, they say they be friend. So let's be careful what we discuss outside about our marriage. Keep your marriage clean. So now this small message, now make I come give you this afternoon. If you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, so that most of us will not know how to control our mouth. Even though say your husband do something make you happy, learn how to keep it to yourself. No go draw trouble, come yourself. You not come meet or him. So make I not talk too much. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for sharing my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, and bye bye. See you next time.